milk bar. You gonna have a milkshake or something?
Yeah.
What flavour would you have?
Chocolate.
Oh, your chocolate might be nice. Yeah. Wow. Old coffee machines. Bell's Milk Bar. Gosh, really cute, isn't it? Photos of a little bit of history. All these period tables. We all grew up with those. Well, little 50s kitchen. This is Bell's Milk Bar in Broken Hill. Whole set of scales. Sunbeam mixer. All these things. Set of scales. Alcohol. Old milkshake machines. It's the furniture we grew up with. Modern furniture back in those days. Senior Mini Pearl Bell. They must have started the milk bar. Must be the children took it over. God, the old bathroom. That's not part of the museum. Bell's Milk Bar. Fruit, milk, soda. Started in the 1800s and just transformed ever since.